Good Ambassador from Pili Central Hospital. Welcome to my world. Yeah, I started this journey 2003 when I was a little girl, still with Bopoma, then Iasa, then SANDRA NDEBELE was born. Germany, I've been to Canada, I've been to England, I've been to Dubai, I've been to Japan, I've been to China. That's international. I've been to Germany, I've been to Zambia, I've been to Ethiopia, singing and dancing and showcasing my culture. I'm a proud Ndebele girl, but I'm a Zimbabwean girl. That's why when I put home because it's cutting here, missing and showing Ndebele, just trying to show what I'm multicultural. Way. Yeah, I've got 3 awards to my name and plenty nominations to my name. I've been the best female dancer, I've been the best ep1 female artist. My recent award, I won an award last year for the best carnival act at the Zimbabwe International Carnival in Harare. I've been winning that award for the past 3 years, but it's been second runner-up, first runner-up, but last year I was the winner for the best carnival act. And yeah, what else do you want to know? I've got 7. I've got
How do you manage to keep on being consistent on your delivery?
Consistency. I'd say it takes hard working and perseverance. It's not an easy road, it's a very difficult road, especially if you're a female artist in Zimbabwe. That's how you realize there are fewer female artists than male artists in a way. In a male-dominated industry, there's pillar way. So, because people say this, some will say that, but know your thing and do it the way often we in our corner. And also, I've got 7 albums to my name. I launched my career in 2003. And
I want to take you back to 2003. I understand you were part of a group, Yes. How did you feel pursuing your own career?
We were in Bopoma High School Drama Club. We had the popular Bopoma High School Drama Club.
Okay.
Then as we were finishing our and living in Bopoma High School, we decided to form IASA. You see?
Didn't you feel any guilt from moving away from your clique?
No, not really. IASA is an academy in a way. It's where they taught us to do what we are doing now. So it's a stepping stone for everyone. That's how you see this. Future is doing this on himself. A lot of us, Tsungai, she went to England, she's still singing there. Nkwali, maybe you've seen her. I used to work with her as well when we were young girls.
What is your schedule? Since you are a mother, you are a singer, you are an entrepreneur and all that.
It takes hard work, but honestly speaking, it's difficult, especially this. And when I sleep, I'm boogie because I'll be tired.
Yeah.
And but yeah, working out, going to the gym helps a lot because you stay alert and you don't feel the pinch of having a lot of things on your hands. Yeah.
Oh, what are your last words to that kid who's in the closet, who's shy to come out with their talent?
I'll say to everyone, especially to female aspiring musicians, dancers, let's do it. It's doable. It's not an easy road, but let's try and do it. And life goes on.
It's been nice seeing you, sister. We're about to wrap.
Reality sounds, baby.